All everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kute, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, JMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss Frank Condon principle and dissociation. Now, in this lecture we will discuss rotational fine structure of electronic vibrational transition. Rotational fine structure and electronic vibration of transition spectra. The vibrational course structure of electronic spectra has been discussed in last section. Under the high resolution of each line, the spectrum consists of set of closely spectral line caused by the rotation fine structure electronic vibration transition. While discussing the vibrational core structure, the rotational energy contribution to the total energy was discarded. Taking the rotational energy into account, epsilon dash t is equal to epsilon e dash 1 plus epsilon dash epsilon plus b dash j dash bracket j dash plus 1 j dash is equal to 0 1 2 epsilon double dash t is equal to epsilon e1 plus epsilon double dash epsilon plus b double dash j double dash bracket j double dash plus 1 j double dash is equal to 0 1 2. Then the frequencies of transition are v bar is equal to epsilon e dash e1 minus epsilon double dash e1 bracket complete plus epsilon dash epsilon minus epsilon double dash epsilon plus b dash j dash into bracket j dash plus 1 bracket complete minus b double dash j double dash bracket j double dash plus 1, replacing the first two term by the v dash epsilon v dash v double dash. The wave number of electronic vibrational transition v bar is equal to v bar epsilon dash epsilon double dash plus b dash j dash bracket j dash plus 1 bracket complete minus b double dash j double dash plus 1. V bar epsilon dash epsilon double dash could be any one of the 0 0 1 0 2 0 and 3 0 etc. transition. The selection rule for J depend on the type of electronic transition for which both the upper and lower state have no electronic angular momentum about the internuclear axis. The selection rule is delta J is equal to plus minus 1. This leads to the pressure of P and R branches. For all other transition, delta J is equal to 0 and plus minus 1, which is restriction that the state J is equal to 0 cannot be undergo the transition to another J is equal to 0 state, that is J is equal to 0 is J is equal to 0. In such Q branches will also there is addition P and R branches. We shall now consider the rotation contribution in detail. For P branches, delta J is equal to minus 1 or J dash minus J double dash is equal to minus. The rotation contribution b dash j dash bracket j dash plus 1 bracket complete minus b double dash j double dash bracket j double dash plus 1 is equal to b dash bracket j double dash minus 1 into bracket j double dash minus b double dash into j double dash bracket j double dash plus 1 is equal to minus b bracket dash plus b double dash into j double dash plus b dash minus b double dash into bracket into j double dash is equal to 1 2 3. And next step, v bar P is equal to v bar epsilon v dash into v double dash minus b dash plus b double dash bracket complete bracket j dash plus 1 plus b dash minus b double dash bracket complete into bracket j dash plus 1 into bracket square. J double dash is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. As the lowest value of J double dash is equal to 1, there will not be any spectral line at V bar is equal to V bar suffix V epsilon dash into epsilon double dash for R branches delta J is equal to +1 or J dash minus J double dash is equal to +1. V bar capital R is equal to V bar epsilon dash into epsilon double dash plus B dash plus B double dash into J double dash +1 plus B dash minus B double dash J double dash +1 bracket square J double dash is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 for Q branches. Delta J is equal to 0 for J double dash is equal to J single dash. V bar Q is equal to V bar epsilon dash epsilon double dash plus bracket B dash minus B double dash into J double dash square plus B dash minus B double dash into J double dash. J double dash is equal to 1, 2, 3. J double dash cannot be 0 as would mean transition from J is equal to 0 state another J is equal to 0 state. There will be no spectral line at V bar into suffix epsilon V dash into epsilon V double dash. In the R and Q branches also the frequencies V bar epsilon dash into V epsilon double dash is referred to band origin. This equation can be combined into single equation. V bar PR is equal to V bar epsilon dash into epsilon double dash plus B dash minus B double dash into bracket M plus bracket B dash minus B double dash into bracket M square. M is equal to plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 where M replace J dash plus 1 in above equation and J double dash plus 1 in above equation. For R branches line M take positive value whereas it negative value for P branches line. This diagram indicates that the rotation fine structure of electronic vibrational transition for diatomic molecule B dash is greater than B double dash. A will be the R branches, B will be the P branches, C will be the Q branches and D will be the complete branches, that is this A, B, C and D. In general, the equilibrium internuclear distance of upper electronic state will be large than the lower. The rotational constant V dash will be the loss of B double dash. In such cases, P branches line occur the low wave number side of the band origin and the line spacing increases, involve quantum number increases. The R branches appear on the high wavelength side of the band origin and the line spacing decreases with the increasing quantum number. The R branches converge line called as the band head and the beginning the return low wave number side with increasing spacing. The returning line coincide earlier line. The Q branches line is also low wave number side of the origin with increases in spacing. This increasing J double dash. The rotation of fine structure for all branches are shown in this figure. The complete spectrum will be superposition of all three branches where B dash is greater than B double dash and the head appear to the high wave number. High wave number. The side of spectrum and the band is said to be the shaded toward the red. If B dash is less than B double dash, the above situation will be reversed completely. The P branches will be coverage to the band head on the low wave number side of the band origin with the band head to the red end of the spectrum. The band will then said to be the shaded to the violet and the end of the spectrum. the R branches still occur the high wave number side with the line spacing increasing with the increasing m. The Q branches will be the on high wave number said to be the branch origin with the spacing increasing with J double dash when B dash is equal to B double dash. The spectrum resemble that the pure vibrational rotation spectrum with the no band head. And inspection of rotation of fine structure of the electronic spectra will be thus enabled on the say nature of value of rotation constant, thereby the internuclear distance of the electronic state. The rotation fine structure can be resolved only the simple molecule in the gaseous phase. In the liquid phase, the rotation fine structure is lost even simple system, and very often even vibrational force structure disappear. Now this will be the theory of rotational fine structure of electronic vibrational spectra. Now next topic will be the electronic angular movement in diatomic molecule. To study electronic spectra molecule, often we have specified the state of molecule. Therefore it necessary that we disappear briefly how state the specified. To specific that angular movement compound of diatomic molecule in internuclear axis is selected as the reference direction. In one electron diatomic system, the component of the angular movement of electron about the internuclear axis have value lambda h cross, where lambda is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to infinity state, where lambda is less than 0, where doubly generated. Similarly, SPDF notation for electron in the atom, the letter code is used by the specific lambda is below, that is this lambda is equal to 0, sigma, 1, pi, 2, delta, 3, phi and 4 gamma. For many electron diatomic molecule, the component of total electronic orbital angular movement internuclear axis h cross, where h cross is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 as individual lambda I lie along the internuclear axis. Analogous to the symbol lambda for the one electron molecule, Greek letter code used is upper as 0, sigma, 1 pi, 2 delta, 3 phi and 4 tau. In other words, this letter code specific that the state in case of molecule as the atom individual electron spin vertically to give the total electron spin as the quantitative 2s plus 1 is called as multiplicity and written as left superscript to the state symbol. We shall next consider how the electronic term beginning to give electronic configuration are derived. An example, consider hydrogen molecule. It has no electron. In ground state, both electron will be occupy same orbital 1s sigma g. We give their spin anti-parallel leading to s is equal to 0 as multiplicity 2s plus 1 is equal to 1. The state denoted as summation 1. As atomic spectroscopy, the total electronic angular movement, orbit or spin may be written in right script symbol. However, in more informative to specific to symmetry g or u of the orbit subscript to the state symbol. In molecular hydrogen and both electrons are in same g orbital, the state will be written as 1 summation g. In many diatomic molecules, the wave function psi is electron may be the either symmetric or anti-symmetric with respect to reflection about the plane of symmetry passing through the both nuclei. The symmetry state indicate that the superscript plus sign, and anti-symmetric state will be the minus sign. In hydrogen, the g orbital is symmetric, hence the sign plus and assigned to it. Thus the ground state of hydrogen written as summation g plus 1. Now this will be the theory of electronic nuclear movement of diatomic molecule. In this lecture we will discuss rotation of fine structure of electronic vibrational transition and electronic angular movement in diatomic molecule. Thank you so much.